Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well this week. I wanted to briefly talk to you about what's going to be in the leadership analysis that is due on Sunday at the end of week 3. For this leadership analysis, students will analyze leadership styles, traits, and ethical behaviors and compare and contrast them against your own leadership styles, traits, and ethical behaviors. For the assignments, you'll write a paper and prepare a slide presentation. So these are two components that'll go hand in hand. The paper will be 4 to 6 pages, utilizing APA writing conventions, and include a minimum of 5 references. Use the APA template found in the City U Library website if you need any help with APA formatting. Your paper will include an introduction to the topic, a discussion of 1 leadership style, 2 leadership traits, and 2 ethical behaviors. Okay, so including all of those components: 1 leadership style, 2 leadership traits, and 2 ethical behaviors. A discussion comparing and contrasting these against the student's own leadership style, leadership traits, ethical behaviors, and finally a conclusion that supports your leadership identity. You will also develop a 7 to 10 minute slide presentation that will serve as a summary of the paper, just sort of an overview if you're going to present this somewhere. The presentation will include comparisons between your leadership style, your traits, and behaviors against the literature. I strongly suggest reading through the grading rubric before you submit your assignments, and then feel free to let me know if you have any questions as you go through this assignment. I feel like it's pretty straightforward and to the point, and I think that you should be able to handle it without too much trouble. But if you have any question at all, there's no such thing as a stupid question, so feel free to send me over those questions when you can. I'm not a page counter nor a word counter, so if you go a little bit over 6 pages, don't worry, I get that. Sometimes we get winded, sometimes we can't say everything we need to say. Not a big deal, but you kind of want to get at least 4 pages in order to get all of these components covered appropriately. Okay, thanks so much and have a great week, guys.